All right. So in the last two videos, I went over quarter notes, which are very very simple. It's basically the click that you would hear when you hear a metronome. It would indicate to you all the quarter notes. And eighth notes is just twice as fast, and 16th notes is just twice as fast as eighth notes. So you would have all your eighth notes in place and have another note in between each of those. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this on the hi hat. All right. So from here, right now it's a quarter note. You could see right here it's a quarter note. There's a half note, which I didn't go over half notes. Half notes are just half the measure. So in a quarter note, there's 4 notes per beat. In a half note, there's 2. And in a whole note, it lasts the whole thing. There's only 1. They're like worthless. All right, there's no point in talking about that or how you're going to use them in drums. So let's go ahead and add the quarter note. 16th notes. Jeez. All right, and there are beats that use 16th notes, like here, I'll do it right now. A lot of drummers do things like this. Get rid of that. Make it here. All right, let's listen. Do it 4 times, it'll be better. All right. So how you would play this on the kit is you would just alternate right, left, right, left, right, left. Doesn't really matter right now. Right now it's just about the theory and what's going on. And let's I'm gonna do this. This is kind of like breaking the 16th note vibe, but I just want to. What I want to do is I want to make it more of like a rhythm. So right here, what we're gonna have is we're gonna have an 8th note followed by 2 16th notes. So instead of playing the first 4, we're gonna be playing 1, then we're gonna be stopping, then playing the next 2. It's a little confusing, but when you listen to it, it'll sound pretty normal. So let's get this out of here. That's dirty. So you could see, if you follow along here, you could see this first note right here has 1 stem on it. That means it's not a quarter note, but it's an 8th note. And these 2 notes each have 2 stems on each one. Each one has 2 coming out of it, so that's a 16th note. And it's going to be like that here. I'm not going to do that 4 times. Alright, let's see what this sounds like. Pretty cool. Let's I'm going to slow it down. And you could easily, if you're following along, you made your own account, you just copy what I'm doing. You could do it at any tempo you want. Do it at 300 for all you can. Be pretty fucking fast though. see what 300 sounds like. It's ridiculously fast. Let's do it. Didn't take so long. Alright, so... Oh yeah, I should have said this. I don't think I said this yet. 16th notes are counted 1 E and A. So each beat is counted like that. So 1 E and A, then you do 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A. The 16th, that's 16th, 16 counts, I guess, whatever. If you count it out, there's 16 of them because there's 16 notes per beat. So 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A.